When it comes to cooking oils, there is a wide variety of options available, each with its own unique characteristics and health benefits. However, if you're looking for the healthiest option, there are a few key factors to consider. In general, the healthiest type of cooking oil is one that is low in unhealthy saturated fats and high in heart-healthy unsaturated fats. Additionally, it should have a high smoke point to ensure that it remains stable at high temperatures. While there isn't one single oil that fits all these criteria perfectly, there are several options that are known for their health benefits. One of the healthiest oils available is extra virgin olive oil. This oil is derived from pressing olives and is known for its high content of monounsaturated fats, which are considered heart-healthy. It is also rich in antioxidants, such as polyphenols, which have been shown to have anti-inflammatory properties. Extra virgin olive oil has a relatively low smoke point, making it better suited for low to medium heat cooking or for use as a dressing or finishing oil. Another healthy option is avocado oil, which is extracted from the pulp of avocados. This oil is high in monounsaturated fats and vitamin E, which is an antioxidant that plays a role in protecting your cells from damage. Avocado oil has a high smoke point, making it suitable for various cooking methods, including high heat frying. Coconut oil is another oil that has gained popularity in recent years due to its unique health benefits. While coconut oil is high in saturated fats, it consists mainly of medium-chain triglycerides, MCTs, which have been shown to have several health benefits. MCTs are metabolized differently in the body compared to other types of fats and are believed to have a positive impact on weight management and brain function. Coconut oil has a high smoke point, making it suitable for cooking at medium to high temperatures. Another healthy option is grapeseed oil, which is extracted from the seeds of grapes. Grapeseed oil is rich in polyunsaturated fats, particularly omega-6 fatty acids, which are essential fats that the body needs but cannot produce on its own. It also contains vitamin E and other antioxidants. Grapeseed oil has a relatively high smoke point, making it suitable for a wide range of cooking methods, including sautéing and frying. One more oil worth considering is sesame oil, which is extracted from sesame seeds. Sesame oil is rich in monounsaturated fats and has a distinctive flavor that adds depth to various dishes. It also contains sesamol and sesamin, which are antioxidants with potential health benefits. Sesame oil has a moderate smoke point, so it is best used for low to medium heat cooking or as a flavor enhancer in dressings and marinades. While these oils are generally considered healthier options, it's important to remember that moderation is key. All oils are calorie-dense and should be used in moderation as part of a balanced diet. Furthermore, the choice of cooking oil may depend on personal preference, the type of dish being prepared, and the cooking method involved. It's always a good idea to consult with a healthcare professional or registered dietitian to determine the best oil for your specific needs and health goals. In conclusion, when it comes to choosing the healthiest cooking oil, extra virgin olive oil, avocado oil, coconut oil, grapeseed oil, and sesame oil are all excellent options. They are rich in heart-healthy fats and offer various health benefits. Remember to use oils in moderation and consider factors such as smoke point and flavor when selecting the best oil for your cooking needs. Happy and healthy cooking!